So today will be second part of how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's start. As you see, I have already solved our first part, solving the center corner pieces. All of them are already aligned. So now today we will be aligning all of the outer edge pieces, which means these pieces over here. So let's start. Now, how to solve these? So this technique, I will call it the mix and match technique. So suppose if you have to choose one piece of these outer edge pieces. So I am choosing this white and red one. So now you have to find a duplicate of this piece in the cube. So now let me find that. And I have found the other duplicate. It is right here. So I am going to move it up. Now again, in solving these, you will have two cases. In case number 1, you will have both of these in the straight side, the correct outer edge piece which you want to solve, or you will have them on the opposite side, so it will be like this. Now if you have them on the straight side, you could move them down and then do the algorithm which I will tell you. Now the algorithm. The algorithm is Li2, which means move the inner layer of the left side, which means this one, twice. So I have moved that. Now you could either do a U or a U dash. Then if you have done a U dash, you have to do a R or R dash, and if you have done a U, then you have to do a L or L dash, and then you have to match your center edge corner pieces with their respective colors. And look at that, this is our first solved outer edge piece. So now like that you will have to solve some of the outer edge piece. But again you will face new algorithms. So right now I am going to use this technique for some time. Looks like I need to tell you about the other two algorithms. So the first algorithm which I am going to tell you about, I will call it the left side algorithm because it has a lot of L's. So let me bring a case like that which suits the algorithm. Yes, now I have got a case which suits the left side algorithm. So now in the left side algorithm you have to choose one of your outer edge pieces, and if the outer edge pieces come cross, then you could do this algorithm. Now what is the algorithm? The algorithm is L dash U2, L dash U2, F2, L dash, F2, R, U2, R dash, U2, L2, and like that you will have your outer edge pieces solved. Now you could use this algorithm if you have the favorable case. Now for the second algorithm, let me bring up a case, and I have brought up a case. Let's call this algorithm the long algorithm. Over here, as you see, I have chosen the outer edge piece, the red and blue one, and its duplicate is on the other side and they are on the straight side. Now the starting I told you could move this one down and do it, but if you have like only three or two unsolved outer edge pieces, then you need to use this algorithm. Now when you will do this algorithm, at the end you will get such a case in which you will have to do the left side algorithm. Then you can do the left side algorithm and then you will have your outer edge piece solved. So now let me tell you the algorithm. That algorithm is R2, B2, U2, L, U2, R dash, U2, R, U2, F2, R, F2, L dash, D2 and finally R2. Now I have the left side algorithm case. Now if you mess up with this algorithm, the consequences which you will face would be really bad. And the most likely one would be you will have to solve the cube all over again. So I would recommend if you would note this algorithm down. I'm going to say it again. R2, B2, U2, L, U2, R dash, U2, R, U2, F2, R, F2, L dash, B2 and finally R2. Now you will, after you have solved this, you will get the left side algorithm case and then you could do the left side algorithm case and then your outer edge piece will be solved. Now let me do the left side algorithm. Now I have done my left side algorithm and like that I have got my outer edge piece solved. So you have to continue doing this until you have got all of your outer edge pieces solved. So let me do that. I'm finding the pieces very easily. Oh, I have the long algorithm case now. I've got the green and orange one. Outer edge piece and I have to do the long algorithm now because its duplicate is on this other side and they both are in a straight line. So let me do that. Left side algorithm and I'm done with the left side algorithm. Now let's count how many of the outer edge pieces I am left to do. 1, 2 and 3. Is there any more? Yes, there is 4. I think there are only 4 left. I think we are almost near of solving all of the outer edge pieces. So now the number of the long algorithms are also increasing. So you will have to do them more frequently, but still it's worth it because after this it will be very easy to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let us do the long algorithm again. Left side algorithm. So I am done with the left side algorithm also. Now I think we have 2 pieces left. No, we have only 3 pieces left, and those will be solved in a very short time. And I've solved one more. Now the last piece. And I have to do a long algorithm in the last piece. Oh no, I wanted to do the left side algorithm, but still I need to do the long algorithm, so let me do that now. And I'm done with the long algorithm. Now the left side algorithm. And I am done. Now all of my outer edge pieces are solved. No, wait, I almost forgot this one. So let me solve this one fast. I didn't even know that there was another piece left. And I am so lucky that this last piece has the left side algorithm. I don't need to do the long side algorithm. Phew! And let me do a quick check. See if there's any outer edge algorithm left. Outer edge piece left to solve. And no, I've got all of my outer edge pieces solved. After you have solved all of your outer edge piece, your cube will look a little bit neater. So you will be easily able to solve it in the next part. It will look something like this. Now the only thing left will be to solve your corner pieces. And that I am going to do it in my next video. So watch out for the next video. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.